There are several reasons why people love apartments, especially the Nairobi ones. One of the biggest one is the closeness to their workspaces. Take this apartment as an example. It is in the heart of Westlands, very close to so many working spaces, and if you work in town, that is Nairobi CBD, it is also very easy for you to access them. Another reason is the amenities that come with these apartments. For example, in this development, there are several amenities that are very useful. First, you'll get a swimming pool, which is very important. You get a mini mart where you can do quick shopping if you are in a hurry. You'll get a gym if you want to work out, a kids play area which becomes very important for your small children. You also get a yoga room, a sauna, and many more. All these things have been made by the developer to make your life as easy as possible. Now I'm very sure some of you are asking, Mungai Kihara, what are you selling in that development? The development comes with three topologies: 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. The 1 bedrooms are starting from 58 square meters and the price is starting from 8.4 million Kenya shillings. We have 2 bedrooms, 105 square meters, prices starting from 14.1 million Kenya shillings. A typical 3 bedroom like this has a print area of 150 square meters and the price is starting from 16.9 million Kenya shillings. We are only 500 meters from the famous GTC and we are close to all social amenities that you may require. Before we start the tour, my name is Mungai Kihara and you are watching African Real Estate. We will see this 3 bedroom and later I'll compare it to the 2 bedrooms so that you can try and notice the differences between the 2 units. The 1 bedroom is just the 2 bedroom minus 1 bedroom. The main entrance of each unit is a metal casement door that comes with a smart lock, and the smart lock can be opened in many forms. You are also going to get this extra storage which gives you a coat hanger on top and a shoe storage down there. The 3 bedroom gets a small foyer which welcomes you to the inside of the unit. This is the dining area of this 3 bedroom unit and it is a 6-seater. You can do an 8-seater but this space might be a little bit squeezed. The unit comes with a living room on that side and a closed kitchen on this other side. As I'm taking you through this 3 bedroom unit, take note of the spaces and how the unit has been oriented. Later, I'll compare it to the 2 bedroom. That information will guide you selecting the unit that you may require. As you can see, the living room is big enough to fit a 6-seater all the way to a 9-seater couch, and you can do some extra seats like this one and another one over here. The space is massive and very well aerated. The ceiling heights have been done very well and the developer has done very good finishing to these units. Most of these houses come empty, but if you want it furnished, you can get that at an extra cost. Right now we are in the show house, so if you purchase a unit here, it will come empty, but if you want it furnished, you know what to do. Our number will be attached in the first comment or in the description down here. This 3 bedroom apartment also comes with a sizable balcony and this is an excellent space for you to get a bit of sun, and if you want to enjoy the cool nights of Nairobi, this is where you can enjoy that. The views from these balconies are excellent because Westlands is very beautiful. The 3 bedroom units come with a closed kitchen like this one, and as you can see, it is sizable for you to do all your cooking activities. It comes fully fitted and you'll get an oven, a cooktop, a heat extractor, and you have a space for your microwave. This space will be left for your refrigerator, and as you can see, it will be big enough to fit a side-by-side refrigerator. The cabinetry has been done very well with the contrasting colors, but if you want them in the same color, that can be done. For the people who want to pay these units cash, you will get extras like a refrigerator as a discount. Right now we are at the laundry area, and as you can see, the space is wide enough to do a washer and a dryer like this one. You have a big industrial sink here to wash your gumboots or the dirty shoes, and this other space may be used for any other purposes that you may want. Let's talk about the payment plan. If you want to purchase a unit in Westlands, these developments are ongoing. So what we need from you is just 20% deposit, then the balance can be distributed between now and the completion date, which is November next year. If you want to pay cash, that one is also accepted, but you get good discounts for doing so. For the people who prefer doing a mortgage, you still have to do a 20% deposit, and then the mortgage will be processed when the development is done. From here, I'm going to take all of you to the 2-bedroom, and you'll compare the common spaces that we have seen here and the ones that are available there. Come with me. From the main entrance of the 2-bedroom unit, you get a very good and a very strong metal casement door that comes with a smart lock. At the center of the unit, you'll have your dining area, and right now you can see you are able to set up a 4-seater dining set. The space is big to do maybe a 5-seater or a 6-seater dining set, and you can extend the dining space all the way to here. This cabinetry comes standard, and in every unit that you purchase, you'll get this one. This other side has been reserved for the living room, and when you compare it to the 3-bedroom, you will notice that this one is slightly smaller, though it can fit a 6-seater couch like this one. You have your focal point on this side where you can do your 40, 50, 60-inch TV, and the ceiling heights have been done very well. That is a match to the 3-bedroom. What is not matching is the width of the living space. In the 3-bedroom, it is slightly wider, but in the 2-bedroom, it is slightly smaller. And also comparing the plinth areas, you will know what you would take. The smaller unit is more affordable. The bigger unit is slightly expensive. But either way, they have been created to serve different purposes. Let me show you the balcony. From the balcony, you'll be able to enjoy the best view of Westlands, and as I mentioned earlier, this unit or this development is just 400 meters from the GTC. As you can see, the balcony is long and wide enough for 2 people to enjoy, and from here you get a lot of aeration. For a 105 square meters unit, you get a lot of space to play with, and this side has been reserved for the kitchenette. This kitchen is slightly smaller compared to the one that we saw in the 3-bedroom, though it comes with all the fixture and fittings that you saw there. As you can see, you have a cooking area on this side, which is coming with a 4-burner cooktop and an oven. On top of them, you have the heat extractor, and this door is taking you to the laundry space. The sink is massive as usual, and it is coming with a supply of cold and hot water. You are also going to get a small tap over here, which will serve you with purified water. That is standard in all the units. Between the kitchenette and the dining area, which is on this side, you have a small door here, which is taking you to the common washroom. And this is very important, especially when you have guests. From the 2-bedroom, I want us to see the sleeping spaces in the 3-bedroom. Later, we will compare them to the ones that we have in the 2 bedrooms. This is the common bathroom, which is targeting your guest, but it can also be used for showering. It comes with all the fixtures that you may require. This home is a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom unit. This is the 1st bedroom, and it is the tiniest. It is targeting your small children, and for the people who have employees or house helps, they can use this tiny bedroom. It comes with its storage on this side. You have the sleeping space over here and a small study where you can read your Bible. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we have seen. This is the 2nd bedroom in this unit, and as you can see, it is slightly bigger than the first one that we have seen. It comes with these spaces where you can do a small seat. The sleeping space is big enough to fit a king size or a queen size bed, and the closet space has been done very well. Floor to ceiling closet, and the closet space has been done very well. Floor to ceiling closet with several drawers down here and a small study where your children can enjoy their studies. The bathroom to the second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one, but it comes with all the fixtures. The only difference is the spacing. The third bedroom or the primary is at the end of the walkway. These other two bedrooms are on this side, so let's see where the king and the queen of this unit will sleep. As you can see, this bedroom is the biggest, and because it is on this edge, it is giving a ton of privacy. It comes with a walk-in closet, which we will see in a sec. What I want us to concentrate on is the sleeping space. Here you can easily do a king size, a customized, or a queen size bed, and you still have some spaces on this side to do a small couch. This is the only bedroom that comes with a balcony, and from here you'll have your private sitting area with your sweetheart. As I mentioned, the primary bedroom comes with a walk-in closet, and this is a big storage for two people. It has been done very well, and it is leaving a space over here which can be used as an ironing board. The bathroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we have seen. The only difference is that this one is the biggest. From here, I'm taking all of you back to the two bedroom and we'll compare the sleeping spaces. This unit is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit, and this is the first bedroom. The bedroom comes with its bathroom over here, and as you can see, the sleeping space has been done very well to fit a 4x6 bed. Comparing these bedrooms to the ones that we saw in the 3-bedroom unit, you can say that these ones are relatively smaller, but they are of a good size to fit an average person. The closet is here. It has been done very well, and it is coming with a ton of compartments for all your clothes. You are also going to get sliding doors, and that creates a bit of more space. The bathroom comes with all the fixtures that you require. This is a vanity which is behind me. On this other side you have your WC, and a shower cubicle is on my far right. The shower cubicle is coming with a handheld and a rain shower. Let us see the second bedroom, which is the primary. The primary bedroom is slightly bigger compared to the second bedroom, but this primary bedroom is slightly smaller than the one that we found in the 3-bedroom unit. The bathroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in all the other bathrooms. This is the sleeping space of the primary bedroom, and it is big enough to fit a king-size bed. The storage is here, not the biggest, though you have enough compartments for your hangable clothes and your foldable clothes. Interesting. The highlight of this bedroom is that it comes with a balcony, and from there you'll be able to enjoy the morning sunrise or the best views of Westlands locality. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you are interested in purchasing either 1, 2 or 3 bedrooms in this locality, you know what to do. Our number has been attached down here. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in the next one.